Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials: battery above 50% and a reliable Wi-Fi. Interruptions will corrupt firmware. Next, make a full backup with Smart Switch or Cloud so you can restore if needed. Once done, enable developer options and turn on USB debugging when you plan to use a PC. This lets tools communicate with the phone. It's required for Odin or ADB/fastboot methods. Make sure file names match your model to avoid flashing the wrong image. Now you fetch and prepare the firmware. First, verify your exact model and CSC code in Settings About Phone. The right package matters. Download the official firmware matching model and region, then check the MD5 or SHA checksum to confirm integrity so you don't flash corrupt files. Once verified, install Odin on Windows or the equivalent tool for your platform and extract all firmware files to one folder. Keep the device in download mode and your USB cable ready to connect. You'll finish by flashing and verifying. Boot the phone into download mode and connect via USB. In Odin, load AP, BL, CP, and CSC exactly as instructed. Click Start, then wait. Do not disconnect until you see pass and the device reboots. After reboot, go through initial setup and confirm software version in Settings. If you hit a boot loop, reboot into recovery. Wipe cache first, then data if necessary, or reflash the correct firmware. This usually resolves mismatched packages.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.